period, 5th and 6th century. Here, you can read here, the chapel built on the eastern side of the river during the Byzantine period, 5th and 6th century. Now, this included 3 churches, not 1. Now, this are ruins. 3 churches was built here where the spot was Jesus Christ. But we mean 3 in the top each other. When the first one destroyed by flood, river, they rebuilt the second one. The second destroyed, they rebuilt the third one. This is also why the Christian incense in this spot many church here. But look in the mosaic how the river before. I told you the river was very wide. The river was here, was running around this church from here to the church. This is why the river now very narrow. But there is no baptism. You are still baptized here, children or any service, where the river now running. There is a new baptism. But please, now if you want to take photo, take a look, because in coming back, where the bridge, short way, we didn't walk from here. Before we go to the river, yes, if you like, take photo. You can see from here El Baba Benedict, a new mosaic. This is Baba Benedict last year in May. Company King Abdullah and Queen Rani.